I have a Maha scoop coming in on the Mahayuti and the Maharashtra, specifically the big news on the Chief Minister's position. Remember, late last evening, there was the big Amit Shah Mahayuti leaders meeting, and we can tell you now, according to our sources, that two dates have now become the likelihood for the oath ceremony of the Chief Minister. That's 2nd December or the 5th of December. Another meeting, however, will be in Mumbai to finalize the Chief Minister's face. Look at that image on your screen. So while the leaders left this image, does it capture the mood among the leaders? Devendra Fadnavis with a bouquet to Home Minister Amit Shah. There's also Ajit Pawar, so all the united partners there. And then there is Eknath Shinde. Are we looking now the interchange of the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister's position? A smiling Devendra Fadnavis, looking united, but a somber face of Eknath Shinde. Amit Shah discussing the cabinet berth expectations as well, we are told. The late-night meeting between the two. And for now, appears, as Eknath Shinde had said, all united. Let's listen in to the leaders when they reached and after the meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah when they were in Delhi. Let's listen in.
महायुतीची महाबैठक झाली, अतिशय सकारात्मक झाली आणि आता पहिली बैठक झाली. आता पुन्हा उद्या बैठक होईल आणि त्यातून निर्णय होईल महायुतीचा मुख्यमंत्री आणि महायुतीची मंत्रिमंडळ गटित होईल.
उद्याची बैठक कुठे होणार आहे? मुंबईत की दिल्लीमध्येच होणार आहे?
उद्या मुंबईत होईल.
So that's the reaction that has come in from Eknath Shinde. More than Fadnavis, who did put out this image with a quote thanking Amit Shah, gratitude for the kind of effort put in during Maharashtra elections. Vidya, as I bring you in this morning, tell me about what precisely do you think has been the big takeaway from this meeting? Should we say all decks cleared, everything announced, or is there one more hurdle to go?
Remember that meeting with Amit Shah was a formality in the sense that he met with each of these three leaders individually and then of course together as well. Basically that would help the BJP leadership assess and basically as to what the alliance partners really want, and also to tell them, the Amit Shah being, a good bargainer, he would actually want to make sure that the BJP gets the best portfolios and the Chief Minister's post. But these leaders also have conveyed that, what they expect from this entire alliance and the government formation. And of course, the decision finally will remain with the BJP itself. But what alliance partners wanted was something that the BJP leadership really wanted to understand. And that's one of the reasons why this meeting was held. Now, this decision making will further come down to Mumbai after Delhi, wherein all these three leaders will sit around together and decide the portfolio distribution, who wants what, who gets what, and all that distribution after that will be conveyed to Delhi again. So there will be some more back and forth that will be really happening before the decision really is made, either by this weekend or later, in the next week, which is around 2nd. It is expected that a decision of some sort could come about by November 2.
All right, for December 2, Vidya. And yes, that's going to be, of course, the big point here. Remember that eventually it's as much about Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister's position, but also about the portfolios. Vidya, stay on with me because let's listen in again to what Eknath Shinde and the leaders had to say, the image that was shared by Devendra Fadnavis, and where everyone looks united, standing with bouquet and shawl. It is anybody's guess what does the smile of Devendra Fadnavis and the reaction of Eknath Shinde looks like.
महायुतीची महाबैठक झाली, अतिशय सकारात्मक झाली आणि आता पहिली बैठक झाली. आता पुन्हा उद्या बैठक होईल आणि त्यातून निर्णय होईल महायुतीचा मुख्यमंत्री आणि महायुतीची मंत्रिमंडळ गटित होईल.
उद्याची बैठक कुठे होणार आहे? मुंबईत की दिल्लीमध्येच होणार आहे?
उद्या मुंबईत होईल.
So the past 12 hours have been very crucial. Remember, it's the suspense over Chief Minister's position, and it's not going to be easy. A lot of political calculations are also needed here. Top Mahayuti leaders, Devendra Fadnavis of BJP, Eknath Shinde of the Shinde Shiv Sena, Ajit Pawar of the NCP, held a late-night meeting, the image on your screen, with Home Minister Amit Shah in the national capital. Now, the discussion reportedly centred on cabinet berth allocations, because if the Deputy Chief Minister's position goes to Shinde Sena and NCP, do they also get some plump portfolios to keep them all united? BJP is already pushing for a larger share of 20 ministries. That is likely because of the performance they had this election. But another crucial meeting is expected in Mumbai to finalize and announce the Chief Minister's face. Oath ceremony, according to our colleagues on the ground, likely on 2nd December or the 5th of December. Caretaker Chief Minister Shinde has hinted at stepping back if required, if decided by the BJP High Command, stating that his identity as Ladla Bhau matters more than any position. Ajit Pawar, meanwhile, defending the pre-election decision to avoid naming a Chief Minister candidate earlier, saying that could have led to any sort of electoral damage, and that's why they want to decide it here on after the election results. The decks appear to be cleared for Fadnavis, but it will be eventually the final announcement.
अजीत पवार पहुंचे, देवेंद्र फडणवीस पहुंचे और अब महायुति की बैठक जो लगभग 3 घंटे तक चली, वो बैठक खत्म हो गई है। इस बैठक के अंदर से कई अलग अलग तरह की तस्वीरें आई। इसमें एकनाथ शिंदे जो है वो दिखे, साथ साथ देवेंद्र फडणवीस दिखे, जिसमें देवेंद्र फडणवीस से गृह मंत्री अमित शाह को बुक्के देते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं और एकनाथ शिंदे जो साथ में ही खड़े हैं वो मुस्कुराते हुए भी नजर नहीं आ रहे। तो कहीं ना कहीं एक मैसेज देने की कोशिश भी एकनाथ शिंदे की तरफ से की गई। ये बैठक जो लगभग 3 घंटे के आसपास चली, वो बैठक अब खत्म हो गई है।
हमने एहतियातन वहां 5 कंपनी पीएससी, लोकल फोर्स।
All right, so that's the big news coming in. That's the image from late last night. Remember, the factor will also come in of not only how many ministries, but which ministerial berth goes to the NCP of Ajit Pawar for the success of breaking away from Sharad Pawar faction and winning it as a Mahayuti, and then as much for the Shinde Sena.
काही चर्चेला काही चर्चा नाहीये। आम्ही सगळ्यांनी पहिल्यांदा ठरवलं होतं की कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये भाजप, शिवसेना, राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस, आरपीआय, आठवले आणि इतर सगळे आमचे घटक पक्ष आहेत, त्या सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर आपण जास्तीत जास्त जागा निवडून आणायच्या आणि पुन्हा एकदा या राज्यामध्ये महायुतीचं सरकार आणायचं हे आमचं पहिलं टार्गेट होतं। ते टार्गेट आम्ही यशस्वी केलेलं आहे। मी या निमित्तानं महाराष्ट्रातल्या तमाम मतदार बंधू भगिनींचं आभार मानतो, त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो, त्यांचा कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करतो। त्यांनी खूप मोठी आमच्यावर विश्वास टाकलेला आहे। आम्ही जे सांगितलेले ते त्यांनी ऐकलेले आहे। आता जबाबदारी आमच्यावर वाढलेली आहे।